Welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West. If this is your first time on the channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I am going to be talking about how to do a very simple return to sender spell with just coconut. Yes, only coconut. This spell, you can use it to destroy the plans of your enemies, or you can use it to expose their plans, or you can use it to find out if anybody is trying to do evil against you. You can be able to use this to know it will destroy that plan if you just break it up. And it's very simple to do. This spell is for people that live near the seaside where they have a lot of coconut, or if you have a coconut tree in your compound, you can be able to do this very easily. The plant called the coconut is a very mysterious plant, for the mere fact that it's the only fruit whereby you can be able to get water inside, natural water that have a lot of healing properties, a lot of powerful spiritual and medicinal properties. So coconut is a very mysterious plant, and people that are into African spirituality, especially people that are part of the water element or water elementals, they use coconut a lot for African spirituality, and they use it for different sort of spell. Today I want to talk about this spell. For this spell, you just need to find a coconut that falls on its own. This one you don't need to pluck it, okay? If you are there and the coconut just fell on its own without any interference, any intervention, that is the coconut that you need. You have to pick it up very quickly. You pick it up very quickly, you take it, you peel it. You first of all, you thank the universe, you thank the ancestors, and you take that coconut, you peel it, then you are going to break it. Take the water from inside, you burst one of the eyes, just 3 or 1 eye, you burst one of them, drain that water into a pot. Then you boil it very hot. When you boil it very hot, so that it begins to cool down to the temperature whereby you can drink it, you have to say this word or this incantation, that as this coconut fell on its own without any intervention by humans, any plan that anybody have against you, any enemy or any plan that anybody is doing against you, let that plan also fall and scatter on its own. As this coconut fell by the power of the divine will of the universe, of the Almighty, of the ancestors, of nature, let any plan that anybody have devised against you for your downfall, let that plan also fall and scatter on its own. Then you thank the universe and you drink this water. Okay, you drink everything complete and you go to your business. What will happen is that any plan that anybody actually have against you, it will also scatter and fall to pieces the way this coconut falls. Okay, it's a very simple, powerful, effective spell, and anybody can do it. So next time you see a coconut that fell on its own, make sure that you use it for this particular kind of spell. Okay, it's a very powerful spell. It's very simple. You don't need to do anything. Just get that coconut, boil the water and drink it alone. Don't allow anybody to touch a coconut, okay? Just take it and use it for this spell, and you will thank me later. So this is what I have for you today. Questions or comments are welcome. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in learning about African spirituality, my website is here, www.riverofknowledge. This is the place where I teach African spirituality in a very concise fashion. You're going to learn a lot of things that will advance your spiritual development rapidly. Then if you like to read my book on quantum physics and African spirituality, my book is here. It's a very good book. I sell it here for $25. You're going to have a lot of scientific evidence that will show you the scientific validity, authenticity, originality of African spirituality. The book is right here with me. Then if you want to do your spell, your love spell, breakup, exes, pacts, the whole 9 yards, you can also reach me on WhatsApp as well. Apart from that, I thank you very much, and I'll be seeing you in the next video as usual. So take care and bye. Peace.